One ìyàwó don come outside say her husband no go kiss her. I don't know which kind of wahala be this. You wey decide say you wan do wedding, dem come say you may kiss your bride instead of you to do you dey do wetin come dey happen? The man mouth dey smell. Abeg make una watch this video. Una don see as this husband dey try kiss this lady and this lady no gree. See as she even frown her face like say they even force her marry this man. Abi na she even pay for the wedding preparations. Wetin dey cause this woman wey she dey frown like this? I no come dey understand though. If you know say you no wan do wedding, abi you never ready to do this wedding, sit down for your house. And if you know say your parents force you say you must marry this oga by force, people now you go see say wedding day they don't even run. You know, wedding don reach, they go dey find bride, they no go see bride, or they no go even see husband. You do am like that. And if say maybe they no force you, now you just dey vex. Wetin wan vex you on your wedding day? Wedding wey you wake up, you don make preparations. Oh, you know since when you don dey plan to do this wedding, on your wedding day, now you come know say na that day, now the god of boning won't enter your face. You come frown, bone face. Now I sure say maybe caterer say forget food. Now I make all this kind of mago things. They vex and I make her they do like this. But at least you know say na church you dey. If they say kiss, bring your mouth small. Even if you don't want kiss and well, just do am. Then come on mouth, make everybody know say at least you dey kiss your husband. This one now, some people say she dey shame. Some say now because say now she sponsor the wedding. The one wey conscious, somebody say the man mouth dey smell. How una tell no now una marry the husband for her? Abi as they kiss since when they don dey date. Now 12 now. Now they dey there, they watch them. People say this man, that means this man, I don't know which kind of person they use. They be say on your wedding day, now that day the smell. If like your village people they follow you for your mouth to come they over smell on your wedding day. It be like they don't plan you, they don't mean you say today. Now this thing no go happen. But as I see him, I just feel say maybe this woman just they shy. So make sure you no go they kiss for people fun, making mama and mom. So now this kind of thing now they do inside house. She don't want disgrace herself for her parents' front. Now make her just pretend like say she know they kiss. If they enter house now, all these kind of people now, so you go say they go they do it for their bed. But because of say people there, I make them just pretend. Anyway, as the matter be, now here I go end up anything way now feel about this kind of wedding way happen. Making a write down for the comment section. Then making a don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I go see you now for our next story. This one na Z word extraordinary. The kind things where they happen for India, they shock me. E get one Indian bride where they call Surabi. This lady died on her wedding day. The thing wey come over shock me now, as this person died on that wedding day, the wedding no cancel. These people still continue this party. Indian people, now so una they do. Una no go even respect say person die on her wedding day, make na cancel this party. Na come continue with this party. This whole matter, they talk say this girl and her husband, they don't already, you know say India, they sabi do their wedding, for 5 days, how many days? They don't already start preparations. Now, the day where she won't take her vows, as she and her husband, they go around that their thing where they go around. Now, there this woman just fall down. Now, so people rush, go meet this woman, say, what's it? In fact, doctors even did the place. But as they go check them, they say this woman don't die. Oh. They can't go do tests. They can't see and say, this woman don't die of heart attack. Heart attack, say the preparations of the wedding, now kill her. Be the way where they plan the things, now kill her. The one where come overshock me, they can't say make this man marry in younger sister. In younger sister. When no be say woman don't finish for the world. If let's say these people they won't manage rice and the things where they cook, now make they carry this wedding give another person. Person wey no know this man from anywhere before. Now come carry na younger sister. They talk say, as the thing be now, the girl family and the man family, they come sit down together, think and say, make the guy kuku marry this girl. And over here reach. This one go be Z word film. I sure say na one of their film, they can't act them as real life. Because I don't know say this kind of thing they happen, no. If not before this news, why they hear them? I never hear say this kind of thing feel happen reach for life. This girl now, she can't wear, this in sister will die. The cloth where she wear for her wedding, she go come pull am, come give another new bride. You self, you know the fear, say, person wey wear this cloth, just die inside this cloth. You come collect the cloth, say you won't go marry the husband. Hey, shame dey on her body. Una sabi do things. See all these Indian people, As na they do for film, so na they do for real life. And all these Hausa people, and Hausa people, let's say they be neighbors. Because Hausa people self, now like this, some of them self they behave. Now, well, which kind thing be this kind one? At least make na allow the dead rest. Make na bury her finish. Now they say they put the dead body inside one room. Come carry the new bride self inside another room. India, e dey on her body. To fear aquafona. If now so people they do, Now wow, as it be like this, now here I go end this matter. Anything way na this kind of tradition, it makes sense. And they feel say it no even make sense at all. But maybe now so they do it for their own place. So, but anything way I feel about this matter, making a write them for the comment section. Then make now don't forget to like or share and subscribe to this channel. As I go see you now for our next video.